Hi, I will be representing Group 7 to explain through our experiences, emotional, and also realization in our reflection slide after going through the service learning report for GongCha K7. So we will be going through 4 agenda for this slide. First one is description. Description is mostly on explaining the experience throughout the process that we have been through. Next is feelings. So feelings is mostly on the emotion and the thoughts that we are pertaining throughout the process of experiencing and undertaking the activity. The third one is evaluation and analysis. So this is mostly on figuring out our strengths and weaknesses throughout the process and how to overcome the challenges that we have faced. Lastly, conclusion and action plan. So this one to overallly, we would like to understand the knowledge that we have gained and also what would we like to do differently. So the first one is description. As mentioned, description is mostly on the experience and the process that we have gone through. So the first one is, as you can see, we did give out 30 survey to 30 participants and undergo an interview with the owner of GongCha 7. Before giving out the proposal to GongCha 7 on the issue how to improve the customer satisfaction, we will need to consider the capability of the company and also understanding the customer perspective. Therefore, we actually have a discussion among each other after collecting like 30 participants and also the interviews among with our members to know the diverse common point of the issue itself and also come up with the best solution as possible. Although we did not manage to visit the store itself, which is GongCha K7, which is located in Malacca, the owner actually briefed us through on the layout and also the issue itself. She sent us a few pictures and also have a video call with us to show us around the store. So in the next agenda, as mentioned, we actually will explain on the feelings and emotion of thoughts throughout the experience itself. So after briefing on the concept of serving learning by our lecturer, we were actually quite excited yet nervous to learn more about this because it actually required in interviewing with outsider. Although it's totally new to us, we actually tried our best in contributing our effort and produced the interview report which we have never done it professionally before. Hence, everyone in the group is actually quite eager to learn by searching out a few several example guidance. The purpose is also to understand the question to be asked and just in case the interviewees actually ask us on why we actually ask the question itself. So with constant support towards each other in the group, we actually quite happy with the result itself. So throughout the experience, we actually need to juggle from our other assessment, presentation, and quizzes that made us hard to come along physically to discuss and meet up with the interviewees from Malacca. But we were still very thankful that we will still manage to discuss the issue and obtain collective decision despite we actually conduct everything through virtually. So under evaluation and analysis, we actually noticed a significant difference in our development of communication skills, writing skills, and effective teamwork skills. We managed to improve our communication skills when we approached the interviewee and conducted an interview with her. Because normally we do not get such chance to interview with a professional, voice trembling out of fear is actually quite normal. However, during the interview itself, we managed to gain confidence among ourselves with the support of our team. Next, we managed to improve our writing skills when we are preparing the interview report as it required to convert the dialogue into formal sentence. Next is the effective teamwork skills. This means we actually respect each other different point of view and making a decision involving any solution or issue. Practicing flexible in uptaking tasks. Normally, we will distribute the tasks and also discuss with the issue itself among our team without much problem. So lastly, we learn to conduct a successful interview session and it will not be a success without the teamwork itself. Without the cooperation and consideration of other members, it will be nearly impossible because as mentioned from the famous phrase from John Maxwell, a great teamwork makes the dream work. So if we are given a chance to actually redo our service learning project, we would like to have a proper framework on our timeline to prevent any procrastination, and also definitely provide more data in supporting each idea on the strategy that we are suggesting to the company to overcome on each issue. We believe that with more data and less procrastination, we will be more convincing on the strategy that we are proposing. So that's all from Group 7. Thank you.